with this live streaming. And I'm back at my dorm, or not my dorm, my house. So, yeah, I don't know how long I'm gonna stream for today. Hold on, let me get my phone charging. Yeah, I don't know how long I'm gonna stream for today. And let me see, hold on. Alright, I gotta plug my phone in. And, I don't know, man. So it's summer now. And I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to stream for today. And then for the rest of this week. Because I wanted to stream a lot, but I don't know. So few updates. I had to, so I uploaded the Chrome extension to the App Store, and it's been rejected 3 times. So I made the changes that they wanted each time, and I made the final changes. Hopefully, this next time they accept it, and we'll see if they accept it. Because, but the thing is, the things that I had to take out, I don't know if it makes it still work. So like this. So if I crop it. I guess it still works. I'm a bit on edge about like what I'm still working with here. Yeah, we made these changes here. I feel like these aren't exactly centered, so I'll probably fix that. The selection tool, add filters. We're gonna do that hopefully today, but I also want to work on the merging, which is something we need to do. So let me see, hold on. This has to be moved down a bit more. Like that. So that's negative 57. Alright. So yeah, what we need to work on is merging. When you merge 2 shape tools together, like this. So if I do this, create this, and then I go to here and then add it. If I merge them together, it should be here, but it's not because of the way the code is set up. So if I go to my global variables and I check for shape tool, it does this, which, what? And then this is also messed up. So we gotta fix that. We were in the right direction for what we needed to do, except we didn't do it. And this is such a simple fix also. I know, okay, so also for triangle, why did it do this? Hold on. If I refresh, does triangle do that? Alright, let's fix that. I don't need this to be all the way down here like that. align slide. Hold on. Top. So it should be like that. So hopefully that fixes that. So let me refresh. Bro, what? Oh, this should have like, alright, hold on. Let me go and then here and then. Alright, so like that. So then when I change to triangle, it's like this. For triangle, we're just gonna take off rotation. So we're just gonna disable it. Because I don't have time to deal with rotation for triangles. If you want to rotate a triangle, go somewhere else. So we gotta take that out of the code. In which we could just say this. When we go to, where is it? Shape tools here. Oh wait, we need to go to here though when we change it to triangle. Pretty sure down, didn't we do, is it in here? Yeah, triangle here. So what we gotta do is this. ID equals rotation. So we're just gonna say this. Bro, one thing I hate about this chair is I can't sit back. I might need to get a pillow. I might need to get a pillow because I can't lean back because there is no back to lean on. So let me get that. It sort of helps, but I also like, there is no like in front of me, there's no, this chair is trash, is what I'm trying to say. So we do that, and then, but we need to make sure for each other one, we turn it back on. Oh, and then same thing for, was it this spread? Where is it? Spread radius? We just need to get rid of this. Hold on, no. I'm gonna keep it on just in case, because I haven't really looked into it yet. And then there's another one down here I believe we gotta do. I thought there was another... Oh, don't tell me it's in here. Don't tell me it's in here. Oh, but wait, when we click on it though, we also gotta... So that's in here. When we click on it. Huh. And then we do this, and then... So let's just do it in here. We make sure it's shown. And then here we say none. So like that. So for triangle now, there is no rotation, which is good. No errors, that's good. So now if I do this, the fuck is that? Rotation input? What? Is this... What happened to... 100%, 33... Rotation tool. Was it inline block? Okay, yeah, display inline table. Alright, hold on. And then, because of that, we need to update it down here also. Alright, so that should be good now. Yeah, that's good. Because I can't mess with rotation right now. So we did that, and then so what we need to do is fix the merge thing. So, why is this messed up here? We need to fix merge layers. Let me put some music on, actually. Oh, and that's another thing we're gonna start working on, is the music site makeover. Because there's a lot of stuff that I want to do with the music site, but I've not gotten around to doing it. So we will be adding a lot to the music site soon. It's just a lot of time. So, because we're going to do the makeover for the music site, but we also need to do, after I do the makeover, I need to connect everything up. And that's probably going to take a week. And then the next week I need to make sure it's all working. And then from there, I don't know what we're doing. I don't know what we are doing. So I'm gonna just put on some... Oh man, I don't even know what music I want to put on. You know, I want to put on some Meek Mill. Because, you know, I like Meek Mill. And I hope his music's alright to play. I don't think it's alright to play. because I'm pretty sure it's not a... Pretty sure it's copyrighted, but, you know, it's whatever. Some of his music is trash, I'd have to admit. Alright, so let's go through this here. We're looking for when we do the shapes. Yeah, here for text. So this is what's being messed up here. Which, what is this? Not, alright, that's whatever. So for shapes, splice, index. Let's do this. Console.log index. Console.log shape layers. This we could do the same thing. Console.log. We're gonna do shape layers count. I'm gonna say shape layers. Index is what we're removing. So the issue I think next is this. Index of this. X is 0. Number of layers being merged. Let's do this. Console.log this. So when we do this, we're gonna get all of our values here. So say we have one shape here, new layer, we create a new shape, we merge them, we have, what do we have here? Let's see. We have at 159, we have this, number of layers being merged, 2 and 3, okay. 0 is, 165 is 0, index is 0. Number of layers being merged, X. Shape layers, index of. Shape layers was 2 and 3. Index of is 0. So splice 0 of 1. Which I think 159. Hold on, if I do shape layers. Shape layers is 2. But shape layers count is 0. Which doesn't, wait, this shape layers count right here doesn't make sense. Where are we? And we're also not renumbering these at all. Like, that doesn't, it's, that's the other issue here. But we'll get to that. Shape layers count as 1. It should be an array of 2. Let's try this again. New layer, because we're not merging 1. Here. New layer, do this. So, if we have shape layers count, we have 1 and 1. Number of layers being merged. But how do we know number of shapes, though? So something here doesn't make sense here. We're doing number of layers being merged, but we also don't know the number of shapes. For each one. So I think what we gotta do is we're splicing it, but we're not doing a count of it. So we're gonna say, we're gonna do this var shape count equals 0. We're gonna say, before we splice it, I think we're gonna say plus equals shape layers count of 0. No, of X. So then when we splice it, then we could say the last one is X, I believe, right? Because we need to update the last one. Or the one that we're merging into. So let me hold on. Let me check something here. Oh wait, we already do that, do we? We're supposed to have already done that. But shape count, so alright, so let's look at this. 1, 2, 1, 3. Oh wait, I never merged them, did I? Alright, so 1, 2, 1, 3. They're wrong. 1, 2, it's wrong, it's completely wrong. Shape layer 12. Number of layers being merged X, which would be 2. Index of number of layers being merged X. Copy shape. Let's do this. Console.log this. For index. Number of layers being... See, this I don't understand here. So, counting text. For shape though, copy shape, index of number of layers being merged. This length. So, because this is supposed to re-index everything. I believe, right? But, the other issue is this is based off, also off where is it? Shape. We're also missing like the shape layers count though. It's not being added correctly. So let me do this. Let's, at the end of this, let's do console.log this. And let's see what that returns with this output. Alright. Merge them together. We get NAN at 172. Shape count does not get anything. Interesting. Shape layers count just equals 1 here at 169. Oh, it's because we do it before the splice. So when we splice it, what we should do is we have our next element, next 2 is, so next 2 is everything. So for next 2, we should do this. We should, but the way this works is shape, so if I do shape layers count, it's 0. shape layer, and then if I do shape layers, it's 2. So what we should do is update it, where for shape layers we count the shapes, and then we update the shape count, which makes this a lot easier then. So we're gonna do that. But we also need to make sure we're updating the pieces in which they aren't being updated here. Because look, shape 1, 2, 1, 3. It's next. Next is set to let me try this. That's for text. We'll do this for shape. Let me see what next is. Alright, so if I merge them, next doesn't give me anything. Because it doesn't seem to run this at all. Why? It goes to 243. X is less than number of layers being merged X. So if I do console.log this, console.log index, let's see why this isn't being ran. Zero. Wait, 248 is indexed, so it's 0. 248 is 1. Alright. 245 is layers being merged. So dot length is 2. So it runs twice. So it must be, hold on, this, because shape layer, number of layers being merged, X. 2, length, this length, console.log, y. So I merged that together. Yeah, something here. So 248 gets 1. 252 gets 0. Which is why this doesn't run. Number of layers being merged X. Which is 0. This dot length. So if this was, hold on. Alright, so if I just did number of layers being merged, so if we said 2, it's 0. How? Shape layer 2. Oh, shape layer plus 1, 2. Oh, I'm so dumb. So the 1, 2 is the shape count. In which, hold on, if we do this here. Oh shit. This should be maybe plus this, but I don't know if that's gonna work. That exactly doesn't make sense for me. Fucking disappeared. What? No, it's there. One, okay, hold on. 1, 2, 2, 2. One, two, two, two. So it disappears. The visibility, though, should be not an issue, though. But wait, if it's... Say it's more than one element, or more than one layer. 1, 2... New layer, 1. And then here... 1, 2... 3, 4. So we merge all these together. Everything except this one. 1, 2, 2. Why does it say 1, 2 still? Bro, what? One, two, 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4. Oh, it's because of this. Counting shape. Alright, hold on. So this can go here. But we need something else. Here. In which I think what we should do is this. Before we splice... The stream still up? My phone is having issues. But the... Hold on. 6.6 seems to be fine. So what... This is the issue here. So we're splicing this without making a copy of it. So we make a copy of this. We don't make a copy of this. So let's do this. So we have the shape count here. So that means index. We can use index for it. Because index is copy shape. Oh, wait, no. No, it should be because it correlates the same way. Bro, my whole... Hello? The whole computer is like slowing down here. Alright, so let's try that. 2. Bro, is my mouse? My mouse keeps lagging on my computer. Like, hello? Look at this. Whole computer just... Bro, why is my mouse lagging? Hello? I'm trying to see if it's lagging still. Alright, so that disappeared for no reason whatsoever. And I know it's still there, because if I click on this, they're all there. So let me just make sure they're all correct. 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. So, alright, so this is what's messed up here. 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. That doesn't make sense. So with the code, I don't understand. I think maybe we're gonna have to change counting shape. Counting shape. How would that work? Counting shape would then be... Because... Oh, that just means it's... I don't think it's running then. Because counting shape body X, copy shape count X, count. For the first one, it would be 1. I think we got this backwards. How do I do this? 2, 1, 2. Let me look at this real quick. I think I got it backwards here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one's the incrementing value? 3, 1, 1, 1, 4, 1, 2, 1. Alright. So, let me go back to what it was, and then just double check it. So I merged these together. Those disappear for some reason. But something here is being messed up. O2, apparently. Apparently it's O2, even though 1, 2 is right here. 1, 2, 2, 2. Oh, and then this one never changes. So I don't understand with this. Wait, hold on. So let me. So this is correct. One. The length of that becomes 1. Counting shape 2 becomes 1. Does it though? If we don't change one of them, then it might need to become 3, right? Because if we what O2 shape O2. Let me see. How does this shape what? How does this become O2? That doesn't add up with the code at all here. Shape counting shape that doesn't what? 5 shape 1 2 this is 2 2 shape count 1 3 next is 3 we console out next at 263 the next is 2 so it's always been 2 shape counting shape should be the layer it is. So what are we doing here? Counting shape is 0. But counting shape should just be next actually. Because if it's next, then it will just be the next layer. Oh wait, I messed up. I forget, I don't have to refresh for that, but you know, it's a habit. So if I do this, it doesn't even choose the selected one, which is ironic. But let's see. 2 2, this element for ID, that can probably be taken out. 221202. But it says 32 here, which is correct. 32, which is correct. And I don't understand, so if that's correct, oh, this, okay, so hold on. The shape layer, oh, okay, I get it. So counting shape, they do need to be 0. They do need to be 0. This should be... Is this? Next is supposed to be the layer. Counting shape is supposed to be the increment. Which makes sense. But what doesn't make sense is everything follows with it. That follows suit. Because I think what it has to do is with the removing of the shape. Because we do... Where do we remove the shape? Yeah, we do it right here. And which I think what we should be doing is removing the shapes after. You ready? I think... Alright, let me see. You used to say don't like this, or don't like this, and no matter. Don't like this, and don't like this, and no matter. Let's spend some time, let's sit in the back of the... But it shouldn't matter because I thought we made a copy of it. Counting shape 2. But in what point does shape count? What? Shape 1, 2, shape 1, 3, shape count, what? This is all messed up right here. This doesn't, so... If... Shape 22, let's look at this again. We have 2, 2, 0, 2, and 1, 2. 1, 2, and... This one is messed up. This whole thing is messed up right here. And I don't know why exactly. I'm thinking maybe it has to do something with it being the first one placed down. Because if I look at this, 0, 2, 5, 2. So let me look at this. 2, 5, 2 was 0. 2, 5, 7 was 1, so it goes once. 2, 5, 9 was 0. Oh wait, didn't it? $263, which is next, which is 2, which makes sense. Something here is wrong, and I think it has to do with, like, if I go to duplicate, Where is it? It's in here. If duplicate, we do all this. Oh, that's for text, huh? For shape. X. What is X? Oh, here. X equals 1. X less than or equal to count. We're not using Y for anything, except for this, which is something I kind of don't understand, because counting shape increases here. Counting shape starts at 0. So that means for each counting shape we start with console.log counting shape. Because I have a feeling that this is turning out to be 0 to begin with, despite this. And if it is like that, all we gotta do is change it to 1 for the global variable. Bruh, what? Alright, so if I merge these, I have no idea what the hell happens there. So counting shape at 261, it's 2. 261 is 1. Oh, but it also doesn't do this. But it's also messed up because these numbers aren't correct anyway, so it doesn't matter. Because 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3. How does 2, 3 happen? 2, 3 should not happen at all. Are we not changing selection? Yeah, we are. Backup shape clone equals next. But shape selection shape 2, 3. That should never. This should never be 2, 3. It should say 3, 2. How many shapes are there here? I feel like there's a 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2, 2. That doesn't make sense at all. Let me look at the code again. So, this dot length should be 2. So at 257, that should be 2. No. What? This should have been 2. Shape body count. Index, what? This should have been 2, because shape layer, shape body count. Index was 0. Shape body count. Hold on. That must mean something else. That must mean something else completely. Huh. Interesting. Shape layers count. That should not be 2. It should be 4. But we'll get there when we get there. But 257 still is 1, which doesn't make sense. Shape layer count. Console.log copy shape count. Let's see this. 254. Oh, you know, that's what we're doing wrong here. Hold on. If we're doing 2, we need to just do the layer then. So like this. Because there's no exact way to get... So this says shape 2. So what we need to do is change this to shape, and then the number of the layer being merged. So that way it is 2. Duplicate this, click that. So if I merge them now. 02, 02, 12, 12. I don't know how we get that, but let's see here. 257 we get 2, which is correct. That means Y is 0, which we don't use at all. 261 is counting shape, which is 1. Counting shape 2 is 1. So selection shape 1. Then 1, 2. That becomes... That becomes counting shape 1. So that becomes 1, 2. Wait, far? If this is a for loop for number of layers being merged length, this runs twice. So var counting shape 2. Okay, yeah. That makes sense. So var counting shape 2 is 1. 1, 2, and then we do plus plus, so it'll be 2, 2. And then we get next, which 264 is 2. So it does all of this. Counting shape, which counting shape should be 1. So why does this 1, 2, 0, 2? Alright, so wait. So this is correct here. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2. It's this stuff that's wrong. Shape 0, 2. What? And then this shape count, which I think is when we do this appending, is where this messes up. Because this, hold on, X is 0. Why do we do X? Hold on. That's what fucks it up. That should honestly fix everything. I don't know if everything will be fixed, but I don't know. Alright, so when I merge, let me just make sure. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2. Oh wait, shape count 2 3. Shape count 4 2. Shape count 2. Oh, we don't remove that class. Huh? Because we add the class, we don't remove it. Sheesh. How do I fix that? Because that's gonna mess a lot of things up. Like, a lot of things. Shape count 1 3. Let me see if we could do this. If we could do remove the class that has a because we're doing this. That matches. I don't get this at all. Check if 2 exists in any of the classes. Alright, so if I can do this, we want to do shape count. So if I do this, we're gonna say for all shapes, we're gonna say shape count for S2. I don't know. Did it work? Oh, it's with a lowercase. Bro, what? Hold on. They're still here. What? Shapes, remove my class array. Oh, it did remove it here. But it didn't remove it here. Shape count. Dot shapes. Does this not have dot shapes? What? How does this not work? It's... If 2, loop over and check if 2 exists anywhere in the class name. If check if 2 exists, that's for the value that it's doing. What is this? Let me try this. If I do... then I do shape count. Alright, it does do it. So we're gonna use this. Because if it adds shape count, then what am I to do to interfere with it? So let's try this. And then if I do merge, click on this. Let's see. Oh, you know what? I know why. This should be, not in the loop. should be outside of the loop. So if I duplicate that now, and merge it, so shape count 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 1 2 3 2 4 2. Wait, shape 3. We gotta do that also. So if it contains shape, then it will do that. So what we're gonna have to do is probably this for also text. So let me see what... Another way for text, we don't need to do it for text count. We also don't need to do it for... We'll see what we have to do with text. I'm not exactly sure. But I do know we gotta do this for text here. So like this, what we did here. Hold on. I gotta check something here. Is this set to 4? It is. So I'm gonna do this for text and then do it for image also because they're all the same. So what did we do different here? We changed for shape, for text we did, for shape we did number of layers being merged. Text layer is the same thing, okay. I don't know if text layer has any issues, we'll find out. There is one thing I do want to add though. When we do this, I want to say we click on this. So this is for change view, but I also want to do layer plus next. And this is for the ID. I duplicate this. So now when I do this... Bro, what? How? I wanted it to click on layer.next. Oh, maybe it has to be here? No, they all disappear. Layer.next.click. So if I take this out, I merge them together. Bro, I didn't change anything in the code. Unless, did I not? Hold on. Maybe I didn't rename some of these elements here. Text layer, that's correct. Bro, why is it not all of a sudden working? Jungle Beats, holla at me. Bro, what? What the fuck did I do wrong? Let me take all this out and then... Oh. Then I merge them together. They disappear. I didn't do anything with the code. Let me refresh this now. And then I duplicate it. Click on this. One, 3, 2, 3. One, 3, 2, 3. Selection shape. Shape selection 3. Alright. 1, 2. 1, 2, 2, 2. And then merge. They all disappear. 1, 2, 2, 2. 1, 3, 2, 3. I didn't change anything with the code. How was it working before? Ah, I see why. Actually, I do see why. But if I do this inside the loop, it will fuck it up. Alright, hold on. I see why. Because I see why this wouldn't work here. It's because I was doing this. So I was removing this, but then this would not work here. So I can't do that. But we need to do that though. So I think it's in script though. Like this, we do this. And so that should be able to take this out. Oh wait, and then I should... Wait, hold on. Let me keep that like that. Then take this. And then... that should actually be fine then. Let's try that now. So merge them together. That's fine. Alright, so let me add that back for the other tools. And then, so we could take all these console outs here. Oh no. I'm gonna have to do this. Oh wait. Put this here on a separate window, so then I can go to this and then see what I need to do. We're gonna have to do this same thing here for count. So we're gonna have to say image count and then counting image. Take this out. We're gonna have to do this, but I believe for image, right? this. Layer 2 dot click. So I wanted to do that. So once we finish this, we need to check it with the other ones. 1, 2. Even for duplicate, I want to add it because it's kind of annoying. If I do this, it doesn't run. What? But if I run this here and say this is 2, no? Oh, layers. Alright, yeah, that makes sense. Alright, and then if I duplicate this, we need to add that there. But then if we merge it, it's fine. So that should be good now for if I duplicate this, do this. If I merge them all together, like that. So now if I go to here and then do shape layers count 8, shape layers 2, which is completely fine. And then if I do this and then do new shape, 8, 1, 2, 3. If I go back to this layer, say I add a shape here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 8, 1. It's done. But I need to make sure it works for the other ones. Let me just double check. So when we duplicate, I want to do that also. So let's go back to script. Where's next for duplicate? How do I know what next is? Looks like next would be... Where do we get next? If duplicate... This function that I put here is so dumb. I don't need this. If not duplicate, else do this. Like, what? That means just run it anyways. Terms of next. How do I know what next? Oh, next is this. So at the end of this, I want to do this. If duplicate. So that way it does this. So if I do this, if I duplicate it, it does that. Like it lets, alright, so that's fine. Let me check with the text now. 1, 2. Then if I duplicate this, what the fuck happened? Cannot set property, cannot set disabled if undefined. 444. My god. What? Text count. Cannot set property of undefined of disabled. What? How? Let me just console that out. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out in post. Alright, so if I duplicate this now, where are they at? Oh, I also gotta do that for what? Interesting. I don't like these buttons are too low. Why? What happened to these buttons? Something happened to these buttons. See how this is centered? This isn't centered. Why? TD, TD, TR. Input not image equals what? Is it because of this? No. It's not because of that. I don't know why, but it's whatever. So now if I merge them, Young Money. Where's so let's check my text tools now. Text layers 2, that's correct. That's correct. Alright, I'm pretty sure that's good then. So that's done there. And then if I duplicate this, what I want to do is this. Should be the same thing. When I duplicate, I should be able to just click on it. But it didn't do that in the script here. Because I have it at the end, if duplicate layers.next.click. Maybe, let me just try this. Maybe I can just do it in general? Alright, and then, so duplicating this, then does the same thing. And if I merge them all together, duplicate this, oh my god. Alright, and then I do that, yeah, so it works there. Let me check with image though. Hold on, I don't know what images I got here. Oh yeah, so I downloaded my old... Alright, we'll just go with the classic fur. So if I... Shit, I can't duplicate on the same layer. Which might be something I add in the future. Oh no. Not that one. That's my mom. Alright. And we're on the wrong layer anyways, but we can fix that. Wait, what? Did I not? What? I could have oh, you know, I know what I did wrong. When I duplicated, I never moved the old ones. But those shouldn't have been selected. Right? Like, look, so when I duplicate, it doesn't even hold on. I don't even have it duplicating the images? Interesting. For image... Oh, what? Images did not... Images... Wait, index 3. Image layers. Let me check. Index of layer being duplicated. Image layers would be... Wait, if they're 1 and 2, where are they at though? Yeah, look, they never got appended. And I think I know why. Spawn, alright, so wait, spawn selection image. Selection append backup image. This song playing again? That's what's up. Undefined. Alright, but it should be 2. So 2 push to count. Image layers. Push dot next. 2. Index O. It was the wrong index. It should be fixed now. Alright, so if I duplicate this now... Where's the first one? Hello? 1, 2... What? But where's the... Wait, I'm missing a corner. Look at this. I have all these corners except this one. What the fuck? Oh, it's because I never added resizable to it. But also, where's... Oh, this. Okay, hold on. Oh, wait, that's for shape. Where's images? Here. I never added redraggable to this. So let me try that. But also, let me see... Backup image. Oh wait, is this the wrong... Alright. I was doing the wrong element. Alright, so we got that. If I duplicate it... Alright, we're getting a step closer. We just don't have our ferret. It's this image count stuff here. Which I think... Image count, class name... Wait, why do we... If we change the count... Class name... What did this have? Image count 1, 1. Image count 2, 2. Next should be 2. But in what world am I getting... Next? Selection in image. Next. Image count equals x equals next. Let's try taking out the class for image count. And then image layer 1. So let's try this. Maybe it just doesn't have the source. So if I duplicate this... Oh wait, what? Where is it? Oh, it has to do with these, for sure, right here. Image 11. It works fine for shape, so let me see why. Does it have to do with the resizable? Let me try that. If it does have to do with the resizable, then I have no idea why. So look, if I duplicate this, no. One, two, 1, 2. But image, hold on a second. Image 1, 2, we're not changing. Oh, we should be though. Would it be resize image? We get 1, 2. And then the next one, image. Oh, we're looking for find div. Maybe we need to say find image. That makes sense. Alright, so if I have this, duplicate. It fucking broke. Cannot set property of undefined. Bro, what? You can't do find image? Let me see. Bro, I'm 300 subs away. I'm 300 subs away from being to 10,000 subs on YouTube. That's crazy. Oh, my final is graded in data warehousing. Okay, hold on. Bro, I managed an A. Yes, sir. Oh, but wait, I don't think she graded everything yet. Yeah, she never put the attendance in which brings me to a 93. Because on the final, I had a 94. So hold on, let me see what I got here. For the 10 out of 10, 7 out of 7, 8 out of 8, 15 out of 15, 10 out of 10. Bro, I got an A in that class. So I'm waiting on 2 finals. My software engineering and my introduction to computer systems. In which I don't know what's taken this class a long time. Oh wait, April 30. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. It's just a few days ago I took this. I forgot. Hey, that's what's up. It says find image dot source. This dot find, but this find image doesn't even work. Find. Oh, you know this. There's only one image. I'm dumb. There's only one image that we're looking for. So this should work now. If I duplicate this, there it is. So now if I duplicate this again, we have that. If I merge it, no, the merge didn't work. Let me go back to the layers and then see why. Oh, I know why. It's because of the thing. So this is for image. So we need to go back to this. Alright, so it should work now. Alright, let me just do this quick way. So we duplicate, we do this. And then if we merge them, what's it called? What the hell's the... Alright, hold on. 0. Okay, somehow it's 0. Interesting development. That's correct. Let me check the top. Why did I, like, I don't, so with this, Why did I do copy shape count if I never used it? I guess maybe just to have in case? I don't know. Where's images? Here. Shape count. Shape count actually used them? Huh. Copy image. Image layers count splice. We're splicing. Okay, but we're splicing, but are we pushing anything there? Because image layers count should be here, counting, so here. Image layers count, pushing counting image. Counting image plus plus. But where does counting image become 0? Because it should have pushed it. Counting shape. Alright, hold on. Counting image 0. So then it should become 2 then. Let's do this. Hold on. Console.log counting image. Oh, wait, what? Did the wrong one. Alright, so we duplicate it. And then if I merge it. We get 0. That's because image layer oh, I know. Images placed. I know what we're doing wrong here. I don't think we need this because image placed, we're adding image 3. Where's image layer? Here. So we need to change this to be image count. This needs to be changed to, hold on, image 2 should have changed to image 3. One, 2, 1, 3. Oh wait, 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay, hold on. Image 2, but this should have changed to, this image 3 should have changed to 2 then. So we need to get rid of image off of image placed. And then we're counting number of layers being merged. X. Oh wait, we took it off of that anyways. So I don't even think we need this for images anyways. But image layer. I don't think we need to do image layer because we don't have an image layer at all. We need to do image. Alright, so if I merge that together, this... something broke here. What? Clone node of null, 335. Image selection, counting image. Why do I feel like that shouldn't... Oh, image selection. Image. So if I do image dot number of layers being selected 2. Huh. Can I not do that then? I should be able to though, because it worked with shape. But if it's shape, then I think we gotta do this. Hold on. So like what we did up here, we didn't actually get rid of it. We gotta do this. And then I believe we could do image. But it'd be on image 3. Yeah. So, hold on. Yeah, image 1.3. So, image 1.3. So, where's counting image here? So, let's try that. I duplicate it. I go back to here, take this, remove that, that's fine. Or I can't move it. Cannot read property of undefined 4834? What? 4834? That's new shape width. Bro, it's on image tool. New shape width. Bro, wait, what? It's literally right here. Element dot width. Selected element. What does this have? Yes, selected element. Element CSS width. Oh, the width is 100%, I think that's why. Because this width is different. So what is element? Okay, so I see what we need to do. Well, elements for active shape though, so we're gonna have to change that for image then. Because on image tool, I'm gonna say element. Oh wait, it does equal that. Element equals image active. Okay, but we want to do this, I think, here. This is gonna be for image layer. And then we're saying new image width. And then this is gonna be for element 2 here. We change the opacity. Let's refresh this. Bro, what? Repl 4835? Element 2, image layer, active element. What is active element though? 1, 2. So we do that. CSS width. We get this. Replace. Yeah, we should be able to just do this. Can I read? What is this? Undefined. How? Image layer. Oh, that's ID. We gotta do selected image. Selected a selection image. Alright, so if I duplicate this, get this, merge them together, I can still move this, but I can't do anything to this. And I believe not read property of clone node of null, merging layers. Layers 335. Alright, let's see why. Clone node, backup image, image selection, counting image 2. Console.log number of layers being merged X. What? So let's try this. Clearly there's an issue, and that issue is a big one, and we're gonna try and fix it. And I'm on the wrong. Wait, what? What happened there? Alright. And then if I duplicate it, we get another one. Merge them together. Now read property of clone node. We get null for 335. We get 1 and 2, image selection. Image selection. Oh, it's called selection image. So if I duplicate this, do that, and then merge them. Something happens here still. Can I read property of class name 344 of undefined? Find image class name. Cannot set property class name of undefined. What? Image. Why though? Image. Cannot set property of class name. Let me check the other one. Image count 1, 2. Image count 1, 3. Counting image. Next is wrong. Wait, what? Image 0. Of the cloned one, image 0, and then we set the class name to have that doesn't make it, hold on. Console.log counting image. Console.log next. Alright, so I do that. We get 44 is 1, 45 is 2. Oh. It was a derp. I messed up. Bro, wait. It created one. What? What is this? It created one. It had to be because of this resizable. Let me try that. Taking that out. Bro, wait, what? Why does it... Hold on. Why does it do that? And then if we duplicate this, let me just check something real quick. Oh, the music stopped. This has 1, 3, 1, 2. We only have 2 of them in here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright. Let me check. Now when I hit merge. This 1, 3. Hold on. This never changes. Image selection. Oh, it's because of this. I don't think there's such thing as an image selection I have. Oh wait, I do. Hold on. But wait, we add the class, but this is for the ID. The ID is selection image. Alright, so if I do this, and I do this, what happened? Image selection. Oh wait, it was image selection, wasn't it? What was selection image? Backup image is image selection. So image selection. Let me just double check. Selection image. Why does this become image selection? Oh, it's because we changed it to that. So selection image. This needs to stay as this. Because that fucks it all up. So then I do this. Then if I do this, there. Then I duplicate this. Do this. Alright, that's all done. Where's my piece of paper? What else did I do? You know what I wanted to do? I want to do this. Wait, why can't I delete it? Hello? 4835? Like this, the rhyme like this in a matter of time I spent on the out on spitting back of the nightmares are true. I wanted to add a thing here so you can add new image, but you can add from library of PNGs. So I want to create a button that creates a pop-up that says add to library. Let's do this. I want to do of my code library images. I should do shit with Mariah. And then we're gonna do the same thing like we did with SafeBox with this. I'm gonna take this out. We're gonna say this. So we're gonna do this. This is gonna be, instead of SafeBox, it's gonna be image boxes or image box. Y'all thought I was finished. When I bought that Aston Martin, y'all thought it was. What's it called? Safe box. So we're gonna do the same thing for safe box, except we're gonna do image box. When you come to me, I got it wrong, and I got wrong D, and then the DOA. So with image box now, we're gonna create a search bar here. So we're gonna say input type equals text, class equals search bar, placeholder equals search for image, and we're gonna do, I think, I'm sure you can search for file names. We're gonna have to add that. But I want to say this. So we need to also have a way to close this, which would be cancel. So we're gonna say cancel, and this button, cancel button 2. So we're gonna do a new JavaScript file for image. What did I call this thing? Image box.js. And we're gonna do this like the settings where we can open and close it. We don't have any, hold on. We need to set some event listeners, which I never did for it. We're gonna do this. So let me do this. Let's close this, close this, close this, close this. We're gonna do this. We can do this. This is also gonna be so function. How are we gonna do this? I don't know. This we can close. A lot of this we can just take out. We're gonna say on click. So we don't even need this function anymore. To be honest, we don't even need this. This is literally all we need here. We need to create a button here for images. Where the fuck is it? Is it here? I want it to be like this. So like where it says new image, but after this flip tool. So we're gonna say image library. And we're gonna do this. We're gonna spawn this image box. Oh wait, we need to, so, not to a set, yeah. We need to say library images. And what we're spawning is in image, spawn image box. Oh wait, we do need this. And then on cancel button 2, we do that. We're gonna say function image library listeners. And we're gonna need this when we click on images. But we also need to go down here. We need to add image box. Because when we go to this, so let's look at what this does here. Yep. And a cancel button doesn't work for some reason. Maybe we do this. Hold on. What? Cancel button 2 on click. Spawn image box empty. Oh, maybe, hold on. Set timeout. Alright, yeah, that's fine. And then what I want to do is the images here. So I want to do display through, I want to loop it through the folder and display all the images that we're going to save. So what we're going to need in our folder now is we're going to say new folder image library, and we're going to add all the images here for it. But I'm not exactly sure how. So let me do this. We're gonna say hat PNG. You have all these different hats here. And oh wait, this is the wrong folder. Hold on. I'm gonna save this in the Chrome extension. We're gonna save it into our image library as cowboy hat 1. And we're gonna have different variants, and we're gonna have like a whole library of images at that point. But I wanted to do here so we could loop through the images in that folder. And they'll create a grid of all those images. So what we need to do, I think, is we can close this. When we open the box, let's close this. On open the box, we're gonna do this. Function, oh no, we're gonna say load library images. We're gonna say function I don't know if my mom's calling me or not. Load library function images. And what we need to do is this. Close this. Close this. In here, we need to do this. Div id equals images load here. And this is gonna be, each image is gonna be like its own shape. Because I want them to all be consistent. So I'm probably gonna do like 100 by 100, but we're gonna see. What we need to do is this. We need to do document var element equals document dot create element span. Then we need to do element id equals image library. And then what we need to do is then create an element inside of here. So what we need to do is then append this in here. Append child. Oh wait, no, we're doing this wrong. So we're gonna say var spawn equals document.get element by id. And then we need to do. Oh, how did we do the append before? Append child. Yeah. So this dot append child element. And then what we need to do is this. This is ID. I'm gonna do class name. But I want to also do this. Element.id equals 0. So that way for each one, then we could do a for loop. Because then now we need to do this. Let's say for var x equals 0, x less than 5, x plus plus. We're going to do this. We're going to create a span here, append it, this is going to equal x. That, and then we need to do is this. We need to create var image equals document dot create element dot image. Now we say image dot source equals. But let me do this. JavaScript. Loop through images in a folder. Look, you're on the shoot now. Bro, what? This doesn't... Alright, hold on. See, looping through images array, showing how... They were all in an array. Let me see, jQuery. iterate through folder. I know what I can do. I can do this. I do this. All images. And so with this, you need to add it here. Oh wait, it's gonna be image library all images .js. So when I create an array in here, what I can just do is say var file names equals. Isn't this alright? Var file names, and then in here let's just say, what did I say? Cowboy hat. They're all gonna be PNGs, so in terms of this, I'm just gonna do this. Let's rename this like that, because I want to do it, be able to do just how am I gonna do each? They're all gonna have to have objects at this point. I could do this. I could say var hats and then do this and then put them all in there. Var shirts and then so var file names will all just be this. Var hats will then just be the same thing. Because like that. So then if I do this, let me do this. So then if I do this, if I refresh this, I get this. So I should be able to do this. Var image equals this, the X. But just for this, we're gonna say 1. It didn't load the library images. Why? Oh, because I never appended that. Alright, hold on. Then we can do... None? Nothing? Hello? Did I even do this? Does it even do the spans? No. X less than 5. Append at spawn. Load images here. Create element span. What? Let me see, bruh, what? Alright, I guess I don't need the save thing, because I haven't had an issue with the save in a minute. This element dot append span. Oh, I did this, alright, hold on. Interesting. It's because the file names aren't correct. It's because we gotta do out of here and oh wait, no. Image library slash plus. And since they're all gonna be PNGs, they don't matter. Failed to execute because parameter 1 is not a node. Hello? Oh, what the fuck did I just... Alright, hold on. Append this element. Oh no. We got set width and a height for him, definitely. We got set image dot width equals 100. Image dot height equals 100. Maybe. What is the original image? That's a giant ass. Alright, hold on. Icon? I don't want to say icon, but maybe. $256 to $256 might be. We'll see. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine at all. So what I want to do now is add a grid to this. So this load images here needs to be display grid, and then grid. How did I, hold on. We're gonna do 4, actually. Oh wait, no, we could do 5. But then I could just change the width to like 200, not 200%. Like this. So I'm gonna add something here. So what is this force? Images load here. Alright, images load. And then I'm getting not display, not these two. Like that. And then our search bar needs to be I want to add a caption to it though. So how do you add a caption to the image? Figure caption, is that what you do? So we do it like this then. So we want to create a span, then we want to create a figure. And then we just want to do is element dot then we want to do this. This element dot append child figure. We want to do that. Then we want to do hold on, the music stopped. Wow, there must be a different way to do this. Alright, hold on, let me just say... So then we're gonna do this instead, and then we need to do a figure for it. In which then we can do we do far fig caption, and then we do far text equals, and then I would say file text dot append, oh no, caption dot append child text, and then we want to say we append Penchild for parameter 1 on line 44. What? Aha, I like that a lot. We are gonna take the numbers out and we're gonna replace them with spaces. So what we're gonna do is this. We're gonna say var name dot replace and then this with this. Then we're gonna do dot replace, and then we're gonna take out the numbers. Where is it? This. Right, what? Dot replace is not a function? It's because of this, ain't it? Bruh, did it not replace them? What? Oh. Bruh, what? Random people DMing me. Don't do that. You DM me, you're bound to be blocked. Oh wait, replace that with this. Oh no. Yeah, replace that with this. But there's two of them. So it only replaces the first one? Replacing multiple /G. Aha, there. And then what we're going to do is I thought we changed the didn't we change the width of this whole thing? Bro, what? I thought we changed the display of it. Is it because of these images now? Yeah, I'm gonna do it like that. Yeah? What? Not really. Alright, hold on. Alright, I gotta go. Catch y'all in the next stream. Peace.